Good morning to all. Today I am going to start very interesting chapter in physics. Basically, I will solve numericals. Chapter work, energy, power. The main important chapter, fully numerical based chapter of class 10 book, ICSE board. Physics, subject physics, chapter name is work, energy, power. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1. It is given a force of 10 Newton causes a displacement of 2 meters in a body in its own direction. Calculate the work done by the force. First of all, what is given? I am copying the question. Okay, a force of 10 Newton. A force of 10 Newton causes a displacement. A displacement of 2 meters in a body in its own direction. In its own direction is same direction. Own direction. Calculate the work done by the force. Calculate the work done. Okay, work done by the force. Work done by the force. First of all, see what is given in this question. What is given? Force given, that is 10 Newton. Displacement given, that is S, which is called displacement, given 2 meters. In a body in its own direction means same direction means theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to 0 degree, own direction. Just this thing given. And you have to find out work done. Work done formula is what? Force W is equal to Fs cos theta. Work done formula is Fs cos theta. Okay. Here force is equal to how much? 10 Newton. Displacement 2 meter. And cos theta is how much? Cos 0. Cos 0 you know how much? 1. How much you are getting? 20. What is the unit of work? That is joule. SI unit. That means 20 joule of work is done by the force. 20 joules of work is done by the force of 10 Newton when it displaces 2 meters. Okay, and in its own direction. Direction means same direction. Just let me draw the figure. This is the like this figure. Okay, if the angle is theta, force you applied and displacement, then work done is what? W is equal to Fs cos theta. Okay, Fs cos theta. This is the work done that I applied here. Question number 1 completed. I hope you are able to understand. Question number 2, it is given, just to see. Question number 2, it is given a coolie lifts a box of 15 kg. A coolie lifts a box of 15 kg from the ground to a height of 2 meters. Calculate the work done by the coolie on the box and given G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. A coolie lifts a box, that means mass given. That means here mass equal to given how much? 15 kg. I am repeating the question. A coolie lifts a box of 15 kg from the ground to a height. Height means displacement. That is S. How much given? 2 meters. 2.0 means 2 meters. And you have to find out work done. Okay. Calculate the work done by the coolie on the box. So first of all, you have to find out what is the force. That means force is equal to M into G. This implies force is equal to, that is M into G. M into G. So work done formula is what? Force in displacement. Force into displacement. Force means what? Mass into due to gravity mg and S. M means here 15 kg. G means here 9.8 meter per second square, and what is the displacement? That is 2 meter. Yes or no? The final, how much we are getting? 15 to the 30. 30 into 9.8, if you will multiply, how much you will get? I am repeating here, 15 to the 30, 30 into 9.8. It will be how much? 3 8 24, 3 9 27, 29, 294. And what is the unit of work done? Joule. 294 joule. This much work is done. Okay. The SI unit of work is joule and CGS unit is org. Question number 2 clear. Let us go next number, last number today I will do. Next number I am doing from the unsolved numerical for practice. Question number 1, you see, a force of 100 Newton acts through a distance of 10 meters. Calculate the work done. Force given, distance given, you have to find out work done. Second one given, a body of mass 1 kg is lifted through a height of 1 meter. Height of 1 meter, calculate the work done. The third one given, a force of 5 Newton acting on a body at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal direction. Displace it horizontally through a distance of 6 meters. Calculate the work done. I am solving one by one. Okay. Let us go. Question number 1 from the unsolved part. That means my serial number will be 3. Let us see number 3. First of all, see what is given in this force. Force given means F is equal to 100 Newton. Displacement given how much? Displacement given 10 meter. 10 meter. Therefore, work done formula is what? Work done is equal to F in dot into S. F into S, that means 100 into 10. How much getting? 1000. 1000 I applied unit joule as it is SI unit. Next number, see, question number next given, a body of mass 1 kg means M given how much? 1 kg, mass given, lift through a height of 1 meter. Height means here, height given how much? 1 meter, distance cover, that is 1 meter. Okay, calculate the work done. As usual before, the work done formula is what? Work done formula is F into S, the force into displacement. Force into what? M into G, mg displacement. Here M is 1 kg given, 1 kg. And what is the acceleration due to gravity? The acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, 9.8 meter per second square. And what is the displacement? That is 1 meter. After that, if you multiply, you will get what? 9.8 joule. Yes or no? 9.8 joule. Number 5. Question number 5, my serial number 5. See, a force of 5 Newton means force given 5 Newton. Okay. A force of 5 Newton acting on a body at an angle of 30 degree, means theta given, angle of inclination given 30 degree. Okay. With the horizontal direction, displaces a horizontally through a distance of 6 meter. Means distance cover given, how much given? 6 meter. Displacement given, force given, angle also given. And I have to find out work done. Therefore, which formula I apply here? The work done formula is what? Fs cos theta, F into S into cos theta. This is the formula that I already have told. In this case, force is how much? 5 Newton. Displacement 6 and cos 30 degree. Okay. It will be how much? 5 6 is 30 and cos 30 degree how much? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. That means 15 root 3 joule. Okay. In this way, today I have completed 5 questions from the chapter Work, Energy, Power. Very, very interesting chapter. Fully numerical part I am solving. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Next I will do solve more sums on related physics. That is fully numerical chapter I will do. from different chapter of class 9 and 10. Okay, this is fully the chapter belongs to class 10 ICSE board. From the book ICSE board I am doing using the formula, Waldorf formula is Fs cos theta. Thank you for today class.